It's a new day, new adventure. You wanna come with us? Island boys, let's go.
So our trip today, we will take you visit all of this, okay, all of this. Three island here, all of them we call Khai Island, okay, Khai Island.
Boys, we just arrived at the first island. It's
Khai Nai.
Khai
Nai Island.
Khai Nai Island.
Yeah.
It's quite beautiful. Just the weather's crazy today. So walking around this island, we see there's like a lot of cats. So actually they also call this island Cat Island. I'm gonna show you some of these cats. Wait. Oh, they're cuddling. Look, they kiss. The island also has some shops, some local people selling food and drinks around here. Adventure time.
All the time.
All the time. Made it! Whew. Meow! Meow!
You ready to climb down?
Island number 2. This island is all about snorkeling, so they have a place to go in the water there. And like the first step you set foot in the water, you're in the middle of a coral reef. So many fishes, so many corals. And yeah, someone already flying a drone there. As soon as it's gonna be my turn. So let's have a look from how it looks from upstairs. Like that, we're back in the mainland, back in Phuket. We just took the car, grabbed it real quick before we get in the traffic jam of all the minivans. There's a lot of people coming back now from their day tour, day activities. So yeah, we just driving past this old all this fisher boat. Yeah, we're gonna go to somewhere, probably home first to get some food. And then yeah, tonight let's see what's happening. Yeah, for now We made it back and it was awesome. It was great. I want to let you guys in some of the Thai way of eating food, eating barbecue. They call mukata. It's the Thai barbecue for especially like pork. We also get chicken and seafood. We get shrimp in here too. This place is in Old Town of Phuket. It's called Pig on the Roof. It's a great place. They have some view on the mountain back here, and there's live music playing as well. The guitar is playing here. Yeah, it's a nice vibe. Definitely recommend it to come here.